up, you guys? Welcome back to
The Casa Spam with Henny.
Okay, so today's video I decided to do something pretty fun. It's gonna be a little bit different than my regular videos because I have two special guests. I have
Annalise.
and I have my husband today in today's video. So what gave me this idea is basically by the title of this video, you probably already know what this video is about. Basically, he has to guess how much the value of my makeup is, and what gave me this idea was I got my BoxyCharm in the mail today, and you know how they give you like the prices in the back in the paper. So he's gonna have to guess the prices of what these products are. So then I have a couple of them laying out in front of me. So I had to add some from like my makeup collection into all of it because it wasn't a lot of it. So to start with the first product. Don't move the table, you're gonna drop it. We're gonna start with this palette right here. This is the first palette. So guess how much that is. Papi has to guess, not you.
Alright, let me see.
Look, this thing does not recognize my face because of my glasses.
You want the Canada price or the US price?
That does not have that. And I had to screenshot the prices of some of them because a lot of them I don't know.
Papi, you tried to hurt my head.
I don't know. So, did someone fart?
Not me.
Cochino?
$43.
$43 for this palette.
Mm-hmm.
What makes you think it's 43?
We multiply the color, all the colors.
You're not far. You're not far. The total of this palette is $36.
Okay.
Okay, that's not bad for your
I was
first
gonna
one.
say 36 too.
Were you? Okay, now one from the BoxyCharm. This is the Avant Supreme Acid Moisturizer. What? Okay.
Like $17.
$17 for this.
And you could probably find it at Walmart.
Okay, I'm gonna let you read it, okay? It's this one right here.
$134.
$134 for this one. I don't even think that's worth it. Okay, next. This is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel Cream. Actually, I don't know how much that is.
Mommy, are we guessing? Is it
Papi's guessing the price.
so do we have to open them?
No.
Open the makeup? It smells nothing.
There's
Smells nasty. $65.
$65?
Yeah.
That's how much it is.
Oh, right.
It's $14. Actually, it's $16, but if you go to Rite Aid, it's like $22. But at Walmart, it's $16. Okay, the next product is this Ciat London highlighter. They see themselves. Okay, how much is that?
$20.
$20?
21.
21. Okay.
Mommy, I don't like this thing because I have the wriggly thing. I don't like it,
It's not for you.
but I don't like it.
Okay.
It should
Probably
be
more than
16? You want to change it?
that. I said 21.
Oh, 21?
Yeah.
It's 32.
Mm-hmm.
$32 for this Ciat highlighter. Está kind of feo. Excuse me. Okay, the next one is this Morphe palette. You can get this at Ulta. So that should just
Oh, that's cheap.
tell you right there how much this
Yeah,
one is.
that's cheap. Probably like $10.
Ulta?
Nah, like $20. Nah, like $18. $18.
$18. Okay. It's not $18.
What was it?
It's 12.
I told you it was cheap.
It's not cheap.
It's a cheap brand. Don't use that shit, guys.
Morphe is not cheap. Actually, it's just cheap. Okay. The next thing is this Where's the box? Ahí abajo. This came in my Morphe and my BoxyCharm, and it's a Natasha Denona palette. And I have mentioned to you that brand before.
Ooh.
I do know.
Well, how much do you think this is?
How much do you think that is, Bebe?
$34.
34. How much do you think it is?
$10.
$10? Papi's close. How much did you say?
34. It's 32, huh?
It's $48. $48 for this Natasha Denona.
Papi, congratulations, you're almost close.
Congratulations to you.
It's the cranberry palette. Okay, we've got a couple products left. This is the Jaclyn Hill, the Arm and Gorgeous palette.
Blah, 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 blah.
Did this come in your
Now I'm not gonna tell you.
BoxyCharm?
I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, it's a Morphe, so it's cheap too. I will say $18.
15. You're close.
Yeah.
That's because you don't have a big palette.
Mommy, I was gonna say
8.
15.
You're gonna say 15?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the Glow Recipe. I love this brand, by the way. It's super, super duper good. I have the pineapple one. Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Here, open it. I haven't even opened it. 68 buckaroos. Okay, it's not 68. It is Glow Recipe. It's $39. You're close. 39 bucks.
When did you give me
Okay.
clothes?
The next thing on my list is this Maybelline Master Primer.
$23.
$23. It's $7.
What?
Chanel in the house.
$7.
Next.
Next is this new Nude Huda Beauty palette.
Mommy.
No, this is like 50 something dollars. 60.
How much do you think it is?
Like
Give me
58.
58?
Mm-hmm.
It's $65.
Yeah. I bought you this one.
This is the Agave Lip Therapy Repair. It's the Bite to Beauty. It's from
Lip
Bite.
repair. Oh, something fell.
Nighttime lip therapy.
Oh man, it's not that good then. Let me see this. Oh, it's like a Lualin, guys.
Well, what is that?
Es como un lip gloss.
How'd you open it? A lip gloss?
No, it's like
This is like
a lip therapy.
$12.
$12.
$12.
$22. 22 bucks.
Off by 10.
Okay. All right. This is the Dream Street Kathleen Lights Color Pop palette.
Let me see. Okay. This has a magical stardust, twinkle, spark, mermaid boy. Okay.
How much do you think that is?
Sweet dreams. I don't know. It kind of looks. What do you think? How much do you think it is, Mom?
$44.
$44. There you go.
44?
Yeah.
You think it's 44? It's 18 bucks. $18. $18.
Mom, now can I guess now? This
Okay.
one more.
All right. We got 4 more products. No. All right. This is the iconic London Prep Set Glow Setting Spray.
This is $32. Nah, I would say 34.
Mommy,
This
do
one
you
right here
have money?
because if you can see it like.
$34?
Yeah.
Mommy, come right now. Come see it now.
Oh no, it's a prep. Oh no, I think it's a prep like $80, huh?
Mommy, now I know what. Now let me guess, okay?
Okay, how much do you think
Let
it
me
is?
see. Smells bad.
It smells good. What are you talking about?
I think it's Mommy. I think it's. No, it's not. No, $15.
$15. It is.
Please,
Drum roll, please. $25. $25.
So close.
Bobby was really wrong. Okay, this is the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray.
Mommy.
Okay.
That's not money.
Oh, this is Rosita.
I think it's gonna be
Verde.
100.
No.
And you know what gonna be is
$2.
$99.
This is gonna be $12.
$12?
Yeah,
Why do you say that?
it's small.
That's why. So if it's small, it's cheap.
Yeah.
That's your theory.
It's
And do you know mine's?
$12.
Do you know mine's? 61,000. Not 61. 61.
61.
That's a lot, a little bit.
What is it? The Milani? Did I not?
Mommy.
It is $9.99.
Mommy.
$9?
$10.
Oh.
¿Qué, papi?
Oh, it was 12. Depends where you guys go and buy it.
Are you done?
Okay, we have 3 more. This is the Tarte Big Eagle Mascara.
I think
That's gonna be
This freaking tree's
$25.
$25?
$25.
I think it's-
Ooh.
I.
It is, let's
Mommy,
see.
Mommy,
Hold on.
Mommy,
Papi, how much do you think it is?
$1.
$1. You're off by $22. Papi was close. $25.
How about
No, wait. What did you say? It's 20. What?
It's 25.
Oh, it's $23. Okay, this is the CoverGirl mascara.
open it?
Esta.
$22
The CoverGirl mascara is $22.
or 12.
12.
$22.
22?
Yeah.
Final answer.
I don't answer $22.
It's $6.59.
Wow.
Ah.
That was the last piece?
Okay, the last one. Thank you. The last one
And it's gonna be the most.
is the Cake Pencil by Kat Von D.
You gonna open it?
What is it? Look it.
Prendele. Prendele.
That one's gonna be $8.
$8? What is this? Let me see. Did you just mess this up? Mommy, you just messed it up. This is eyeliner pencil.
Mommy.
Can you turn it on, the light?
Mommy,
oh, nice
I-
face.
Little turn it on.
Okay, drum roll, please. $19.
That was close.
No, you said what?
8.
Hey,
Did
you're
I
off
say
by...
8? It's a 9 or 8.
All right. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video that we are filming at nighttime. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Class notification.
Bye, guys. Have a good one.
Bye.